5 AI tools, 1 dashboard, and a massive discount. Sounds like a dream deal, right? The year-end mega pack claims to give you lifetime access to premium AI software for a one-time payment. But is it truly a game changer, or is there a catch? Let's dive in and uncover the truth. Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Review HQ, where we test and review AI tools, software, and digital deals to see if they are worth your hard-earned money. Today, we are looking at the year-end mega pack, an AI bundle that claims to provide access to 5 premium AI tools in one package, generate AI-powered content, videos, and websites effortlessly, include full commercial rights so you can sell your AI-generated assets, save you from paying costly monthly subscriptions. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. As soon as you land on the website, you see a massive deal alert that says, "Hurry, grab this special offer before it's gone." The key selling points of this bundle are 5 AI-powered tools combined into a single dashboard, commercial license included, sell AI-generated assets, one-time payment of $14.95 instead of the usual $97 per month fee. The website lists 5 different AI tools included in the package. 1 AI and 1 AI 2.0. Get access to ChatGPT 4, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo AI, Meta Llama 3, Stable Diffusion XL, and more for AI content and image generation. AI Tuber, a tool for creating faceless YouTube videos in any niche. AI Movie Maker, instantly generate 4K cinematic videos using AI. AI Agents, AI-powered automation templates for effortless content creation. In addition to the 5 AI tools, the website also promotes exclusive bonuses. 5 pre-made AI websites, ready-to-use sites designed for different niches. Commercial license allows you to sell AI-generated content and keep 100% of the profits. SEO and marketing tools, additional resources to help drive traffic and engagement. Let's talk about the pricing strategy here. Regular price $97 per month. Current deal $14.95 one-time payment. Coupon code MEGA2 for an extra $2 off. Urgency warning. The website shows a countdown timer, but some sites reset timer to create fake urgency, so be cautious. The year-end mega pack is ideal for freelancers and content creators. Use AI tool to generate and sell digital assets. YouTubers and video editors. Quickly create faceless AI-generated videos. Business owners and marketers. Automate content creation and engagement. Beginners. No experience needed. AI does the heavy lifting for you. The reality check. Its pros are 5 AI tools in one package. Multiple functionalities in a single dashboard. No monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. Commercial rights included. Sell AI-generated assets legally. Automation-driven tools. Saves time and effort. Its cons are traffic and income claims aren't proven. No real data on how AI generates visitors. Countdown timer may be a marketing tactic. Some sites reset timers when refreshed. Not instant income. AI tools help productivity but won't make you money without a strategy. So, should you invest in the year-end mega pack? If you need AI-powered tools for content, video, and automation at a low cost, this deal is worth considering. However, if you are expecting an AI magic money machine, manage your expectations. Tools alone won't generate income without a strategy. A solid AI bundle for content creators, but use it wisely. If you want to check out the year-end mega pack, I have included the link in the description below. What do you think? Is this AI bundle a must-have or just another marketing trick? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Keep hustling smarter and see you in the next one.